and welcome back to my channel. And today we will be reacting to BadVillain. We'll be watching the content that was released for Hurricane, the short Hurricane, then the full version Hurricane. We'll be watching the BadVillain Hurricane performance video, Hurricane live clip, Hurricane, just the full version, and then a lyric video. I have to find a longer lyric video. Do that right now. Then the MV teaser, and then just the MV. Then the dance practice. Then a performance of the full song. Yeah, I'll find a lyric video, but as for my information on BadVillain, I've been keeping up with BadVillain since that first teaser video whenever they had the fucking masks and shit. I've been keeping up with them since then, and I watched their debut, BadVillain, and I watched Yahoo. Amazing songs. Fucking love BadVillain. I love Yahoo so fucking much. It's a great debut. Honestly, it's amazing. They're both in my playlist. I really do love BadVillain's sound, and I did watch. I have listened to the original Hurricane, the short clip, not the full clip, but I have listened to Hurricane, so I know what Hurricane is about. I just have not watched the full thing. I also have not watched the performance video, and I haven't watched the live clip for Hurricane, so I just wanted to add that in. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. And also, my bias for BadVillain is Chloe. Chloe, my queen. She's so fucking cool. She's so cool. I can't. Like, her and BadVillain, MB, my queen, my everything. Anyways, let's get into watching this video. Okay, let's go ahead and watch it. And once again, we will be starting with the BadVillain Hurricane performance video that was posted 3 months ago. So it's the short Hurricane. Quality check.
Yeah, 말보단 행동, 셰프가 맥도 I take on. 내편의 애교쟁이 rappers, 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo.
Chloe's so cool.
Crown taker, coming out the underground savior. 같은 리가 너와 나의 정체성. Katrina became 돌아버리겠어. 빙글빙글의 smile, we gonna ride. 뛰어서 날아가 아무나 fly. 무릎을 밟아 stomping. 도나지는 감각을 topping. When I'm on the top of this, 노래다 보이지. You think I'm stupid.
I love all these outfits. I think Callie's was my favorite outfit.
My flag red like ocean. My plans 전망이 sunshine. My backup쟁이 녀석들은 모두 올라와 우리 선상. I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different like alien. 무대는 나타나면 난리여서 적당히 나다운 게 내일이야. Talking all the BS who you are. 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 번뜩이는 머리 dynamite. Up and I'm and down the drop. On the screen, on the scene, all the screaming.
Yeah, Callie's is my favorite styling character. They're always cool though. That was cool. Big Planet Made. And this is the live clip.
Let's go. Yeah.
Hurricane,
Yeah.
hurricane,
Hey.
hurricane.
Yeah. 말보단 행동, 셰프가 맥도 I take
And for
on.
Chloe, that's her natural hair, huh? Like her natural wave. Because I've seen people talk about it, the fact that they brush it out and like poof it out a lot.
빙글빙글의 smile, we gonna ride. 뛰어서 날아가 I'm on a ride. 무릎을 밟아 stomping. 도나지는 감각을 topping.
I love her voice. It sounds so fucking cool. And she's such a talented rapper. She sounds so fucking cool.
My flag wave like ocean. My plans 전망이 sunshine. 나 backup쟁이 녀석들은 모두 올라와 우리 선상. I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different like alien. 무대는 나타나면 난리여서 적당히 나다운 게 내일이야. Talking all the BS who you are. 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 번뜩이는 머리
I feel like with Yahoo and BadVillain, you didn't really get to see Emma's a good rapper. Like, I don't know, she wasn't able to rap, you know? I feel like Hurricane, she's able to showcase her rap. Emma's is my favorite outfit. Just to say. Okay, and here's the full audio. So this is the ending was extended. My cat was glaring at me. I think he was judging me.
My flag wave like ocean My plans 전망이 sunshine My back 겁쟁이 녀석들은 못 올라와 우리 선상 I'm crazier than crazy one You know that I'm different like alien 무대는 나타나면 난리여서 적당히 나다운 게 내일이야 Talking all the BS who you are 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 버티기 내 머리 dynamite Up and down 다리지는 drop I'm the screen, I'm the scene, I'm the screaming 다른 느낌 I got a feeling 내 주위는 초토화돼 every gain 내 주위는 초토화돼 every gain Wake wing wing 울리는 경보 bills on fire With the name on everywhere 안 보는 게 더 어렵다고 말은 건 sorry Which way you wanna go? Got best for body tangos 여왕이 된 듯이 걷고 표정은 dry
Do they have audio? Voice effects? I'm pretty sure they do. Their voice is edited, I think. Yeah.
Boy, try me from the bottom to the top, drip lightning. Hop on the ride, 어떡하는 거 말은 알리. 동물원이가 차로 완리 now. Winning is my only finale. 다르게 달리. 노릇실이 이상한 나라로 보내버리고 나 don't finale. Yeah, nobody did it like we do before.
I didn't like that switch to the bridge. I didn't like that. The piano was very abrupt. I don't think I liked that chest thing with the piano. I don't think I liked that. Okay. It sounds good. It does sound good. I like the rap. I did. I don't know if I like that bridge section. Oh, the Beyonce. Beyonce? I don't know all of the members' names. Who do I know? I know Kelly, I know Vin. I know Chloe, I know Emma. I don't know the middle ones' names yet. I don't have it like on the top of my head, you know what I mean? Hyo, Ina, Yeonseo. I'll go in now. 말보단 행동 jetpack은 내거 I take off 내 팬의 애교쟁이 rappers 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo Crown taker coming out the underground savior 거들리던 너와 나의 정체성 그처리 너를 긴 돌아버리겠어 빙글빙글의 smile waking up right 뒤에서 날아가 I'm on a vibe 머리 위를 밟아 stomping 눈에지는 감각을 도배 원하면 더 어려서 노래 다 보이지 You think I'm stupid 눈에 불이 켰어 cell phone 걔네 이미 꼈어 cell phone 기도 전에 I could trust on my bros 덤비다가 다쳐 빨리 포기해 너네 My flag wave like ocean My plans 전망이 sunshine My back 겁쟁이 녀석들은 못 올라와 우리 선상 I'm crazier than crazy one You know that I'm different like alien 무대는 나타나면 난리여서 적당히 나다운 게 내일이야 Talking all the BS who you are 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 버티기 내 머리 dynamite Up and down 다리지는 drop I'm the screen, I'm the scene, I'm the screaming 다른 느낌 I got a feeling 내 주위는 초토화돼 every gain 내 주위는 초토화돼 every gain Wake wing wing 울리는 경보 bills on fire With the name on everywhere 안 보는 게 더 어렵다고 말은 notorious Hey buddy, which way you wanna go? Got best for body tangos 여왕이 된 듯이 걷고 표정은 dry Step by step, we're moving to the next one Taking over the sun
boy, try me. From the bottom to the top, drip lightning. Hop on the ride, 착하는 것만은 알리. 똥말하니까 자꾸 완리. Now winning is my only finale. 내 다르게 달리. 노릇실이 이상한 나로로 보내버리고 나 동 finale. Yeah, nobody did it like we do before.
I didn't like the switch. Like this part sounds fine, but the switch between them, like into and out of it, or out of it sounds better, but in it just doesn't sound smooth. That's my only complaint on this song though. Everything sounds on fucking amazing, bro. Emma's and Chloe's rap there at the end? Oof. Oof. Wait. I was about to complain naming that they put the whole chorus in the teaser. Love, the chorus is already out. It's been out for 2 months, bitch. Calm the fuck down, bro. I didn't like the teaser. I'm kidding.
말보단 행동 jetpack은 메고 I take off 내 펜의 애교쟁이 rappers 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo Crown taker coming out the underground savior 거들리다 너와 나의 정체성 가출이 너를 긴 돌아버리겠어 빙글빙글해 smile waking up right 뒤에서 날아가 I'm on a fire 머리 위를 밟아 stomping 둔해지는 감각을 도pen wanna talk this 노래 다 보이지 you think I'm stupid 눈에 불이 켰어 cell phone 걔는 이미 졌어 cell phone 기도 전에 I could trust on my bros 비다가 다쳐 빨리 포기해 너네 My flag wave like ocean My plans 전망이 sunshine My backup쟁이 녀석들은 모두 올라와 우리 선상 I'm crazier than crazy one You know that I'm different like alien 무대는 나타나면
I like how much attention each member's getting. Like it's their line, it's theirs, like it's their screen time. But also the vocalists don't have a lot of screen lines in this, so they're not gonna have a lot of screen time. I really like Vin's tone. Her tone is so pretty. Like her to vocal tone, not her specifically rap tone. You know what I mean? See, you're able to see that Emma's a fucking rapper in this. Like, she didn't have good raps in BadVillain or Yahoo. Yahoo. Not Yahoo. I don't like this beat. I'll stop complaining about it, I swear. Love, that's a tornado, not a hurricane. That's a tornado. Once again, that is a tornado, not a hurricane. But as for the visuals, I did like it. Honestly, the setting was pretty. Not pretty. It wasn't pretty, but it was nice for the actual song, you know? Fit the song. Setting fit the song. Good job, people. As for their outfits, I didn't like their group outfit with like the blue, you know? White, blue t-shirts. Didn't like that. But it was fine. And once again, I did like the fact that whenever it was someone's line, they got all of the screen time, but I feel like that only happened with the rappers. Like, don't get me wrong, Hurricane is a very rap-heavy song. The whole thing is rap. You hardly get pretty vocals in this song, which is perfectly fucking fine. But the rappers most definitely got all of the screen time in this. And I feel like even with Yahoo and BadVillain, the rappers got a lot of screen time. Like, Yahoo. Vin got a lot of screen time in Yahoo. Only Vin. But I feel like this wasn't balanced there. They didn't get a lot of screen time. I feel like I hardly saw Hua. I don't know her name, but I feel like I hardly saw her. But other than that, it was a good video for just a regular single. You know what I mean? It was fine for it to be a post-release. But yeah, it's a good song. It's good. Sounds practice time. Goddamn Emma hairography. Her hair's flying everywhere. I'm sorry, but the way that Kelly goes down in this section. Watch Kelly doing Chloe's rap. Look at her drop. Wow. Damn. This choreo is so fun. It's so dynamic. There's a lot of quick movements. Did they sing live whenever they performed this? Because this takes a lot of fucking energy. Like, all of their choreos are fucking amazing and dynamic and fucking hard. But this is like a hypey as hell. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this would be difficult to sing live in. They were doing so much that time flew the fuck by, bro. They were doing so much. Wait. The song starts out so quickly. There's no build up. It's just, oh, hi. Hello there. Okay. Oh, they saw the outfits they had in the MV. I think they're lip syncing. I can't tell, but the backtrack is very loud. But once again, this song is even more difficult than their other songs to sing live with. And they sing live for BadVillain, at least. I'm pretty sure Yahoo too. I don't blame them for not singing live for this one. Once again, I don't know if they're not singing live, but the backtrack is very loud. Does Kelly have a tattoo? I saw something in the back of her arm. I think Vince has my favorite outfit. The cheering for the backflip. Not backflip, back handspring. This bridge is so fucking short. This bridge was just made to fill time. Just so that it wasn't so fucking repetitive. That bridge is sounds fine, but it's so useless in the song. It doesn't add anything other than randomness. Like, don't get me wrong, the song is fucking amazing. That song is going into my playlist because it sounds fire as hell. The raps are amazing by all of them, even the vocalists. Like, all of them sound good. That fucking bridge, though, I'm sorry, it's so fucking random. It's not smooth to go into the bridge. It's not adding anything other than lines for Buha? I don't know how to say her name. Just giving her lines and filling time because this song is short. The song is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. They also wanted to add those seconds and they wanted to give her lines. That is the only reason why that bridge was put into it. That bridge was so useless. It didn't have to be added to the song. It really didn't. But whatever, I'm gonna get over it. I'm still gonna listen to the song. It's still going to my playlist. I still love the song. The choreo is, as I was saying, so fucking difficult. I do not blame them for not singing live. And if they do sing live in another performance, please let me know. I'll try to find one where they're singing live just to see how they're doing. But yeah, Hurricane, fire as hell. BadVillain, fire as hell. I can't wait for them to come back. I feel like since they just debuted and with the way that they are being promoted, I feel like they are gonna have a comeback before the end of the year. Like maybe November, December. I expect a comeback from them simply because of how they're being promoted. But yeah, I can't wait to see how. God, I'm just praying that they do not drop the ball on BadVillain because they have dropped music that's so fucking good with BadVillain and Yahoo and Hurricane. Like, their music is so good right now. And if they drop the ball with their comeback, I will be so mad. But I can't do anything about it. I'm hoping for the best. And I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed watching this, and bye-bye.